Hey guys, Colourpop here, and today I'm going to do the intro for the Graveyardprojectpan 2020 edition with a bunch of ladies here on YouTube and on Instagram. Emily and Max actually started this, so I will leave her channel linked down below. We did this last year and it was a flippin' blast. So we're gonna do it again this year, and it starts today, April 30th, and goes through October 30th, which is Halloween, or 31st. April 30th to October 31st, 30 days of September, April. Yeah, October 31st, because that would be Halloween. Hello. And I believe most people are doing bi-monthly updates. I don't know how I'm gonna do my updates. I think I'm gonna try to just do them whenever I finish a product or whenever I need to roll something in so that you guys can see it fresh as a new product. So the two categories for this are collecting cobwebs, which are basically just anything that's getting old in your collection that you just need to use up. And then we have the resurrection category, which is something that you have panned before or tried working on previously, and it now is just kind of like sitting there and waiting to get finished up. So I have 3 from each category, and I think I'm gonna do pretty good with this project. I'm kind of excited. So let's get into it. I'm gonna start with the resurrection category, things that I have previously tried to pan and was unsuccessful with, and things that I really just need to hurry up and use up and finish and get out of my collection. So let's show you those ones. We have the Ole Henriksen We have the Ole Henriksen Control Balance Oil Control Hydrator, and the line is like way up higher than the last line, but this is so small. It is just a little tiny cream hydrator, and I believe that this works best for me in the summertime, and that's when I want to use it. So anyways, I want to use up this Ole Henriksen all the way completely, and now that it's starting to get a little bit hotter, although it did snow 2 days ago, which is ridiculous, but now that it's getting a little bit hotter in Michigan, I do want to completely finish this up. I don't believe it's going to take me very long, but hopefully get it out soon. I have another hydrator that is actually really good also in the summertime because it is a jelly based instead of a cream based. It is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly, and I did try to pan this previously. It is right here. So I'm hoping that both of these will be out by the next update and we can add in some new items to this category, but I really just want to finish this off completely. Then we have from Sephora, are you guys sick of seeing this yet? I'm really working on this. I'm trying so hard to get it out of my collection. It is the Sephora Cream Lip Stain in the shade 01 Always Red. It's just a little tiny sample, you guys. I got this in a Sephora play a while back, and I absolutely love this red stain. I think it is perfect. It stays on my lips all day, even through eating. And truly the only way to reapply this is to take it all the way off and put it all the way back on. For me personally, when I try to reapply it, it just doesn't reapply the same way. So I want to get this completely used up. I have already taken out the stopper. It is quite goopy and getting quite thick and dry. You guys can't even see in there. It's like a black hole, but we have some really good windows happening, and I am hopeful that I can finish this. Maybe by the time I finish these, I don't know. I really have to get into wearing red lipstick a little bit more and just go with it. So yeah, I want to finish this off completely. Then I have 3 items for the category of collecting cobwebs, things that are getting older in my collection that I just kind of want to bring out and use again and focus on using a little bit more. So the first one is something that I've had in my desk drawer, like my drawer, my everyday makeup drawer, for years now, and it's just not gone yet, and it would be amazing if I could finish this because I do know that they sell them still, and this is like one of my favorite shades. Anyways, it is the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in the shade Amaze. I do have 2 different little pans in there going, and I just want to use this up, you guys. It is kind of coming apart from the edges now that it's getting so dry. It does still look beautiful on the lid. I get so many compliments whenever I wear it, and I just absolutely love it. So I do want to finish this off completely. I think 6 months is more than enough time to do so, and it's summer, so I can just do this all over my lid and be done with it. So we'll see. These little makeup erasers are amazing for taking off like hand swatches and stuff. Love them. Then we have a highlighter. This is one that I got for a Christmas present from my mom, and I love it. I just never wear it as much. It is from Makeup Geek. It is the Kathleen Lights Highlighter Palette Collab, and it has 3 separate shades in there, and I think this will be good for summer because the middle and the edge are a little bit darker. This one's a little bit more for lighter skin tones. But I do like that it's all encompassing. I could use this all over my body, like my shoulders, my décolletage, décolleté, whatever, however you want to call it. And these 2 I can wear on my face, so I definitely think I can get some really good use out of this, and I want to kind of bring it back to life a little bit because it is older and they do still sell it. So yeah, I do love it, and I think I'm gonna make a goal to use this 20 times. I think that'll be fair. Okay, the final item for my collecting cobwebs category is a body butter. This one's from Trader Joe's. It is the pumpkin body butter. Obviously, we are out of the pumpkin season, and this project goes like into the pumpkin season, so I figured that would be pretty fitting. I have been trying to use this more and more, but gosh, you guys, I just don't like using body butters. I don't really like using lotion in general unless it is like a hand lotion. I don't mind those at all, but man, I still have so much product in here. I got this on recommendation from Jackie from Jack's Lorraine, and I love it. It smells beautiful. It is very, very thick though. A very little bit goes a long way, so I want to finish this one up completely. As you guys can see, I do have a little bit of pan showing in the bottom there. Not sure when I got that, but there's still a lot on the edges, and I want to just get through this. Anyways, that was everything for this project intro. Like I said, my updates are going to be a little different than everybody else's because I really want to update when I finish a few products and get some stuff out so I can show you guys new things I am rolling in. This is a rolling style project, which is my favorite, and we're going to go all the way up to Halloween, so that gives us all summer and a little bit of fall. So fall is my favorite season, and I cannot wait for it. So anyways, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. I hope you all have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next